Did you know that the most critical and dangerous visible warfare in human history has already begun in absolute silence? There was no official global declaration, no any worldwide alarm sounded to alert humanity. But behind tightly closed doors, inside elite tech firms and billion-dollar data centers, a relentless race to build a sovereign intelligence that will render human cognition entirely absolute is actively accelerating. This is the terrifying frontier of artificial superintelligence. This hidden technological conflict is not designed to simply generate emails or synthesize digital images. It is a desperate quest to create artificial superintelligence that will fundamentally outpace human capability in science, economics, and advanced engineering. The most alarming reality is that this developmental curve is moving 100 times faster than public awareness. Tracking algorithms suggest global technology empires are burning through billions of dollars while the smartest minds on earth work sleeplessly, knowing that whoever deploys this ultra-intelligence first will permanently govern civilization itself. Throughout history, advanced conscious reasoning and fluid creativity were the ultimate strategic defenses that no legacy machine could ever hope to replicate. Mechanical systems could lift heavy objects, travel at high velocities, and process mathematical tables faster, but sovereign decision-making belonged uniquely to humanity. Now, for the first time, premier geopolitical entities and tech corporations openly admit that this final barrier is on the verge of collapsing. This is not kinetic war over geography or oil reserves, but an absolute race for cognitive dominance over the hypothetical entity known as ASI. At the epicenter of this tectonic shift stands OpenAI. When the venture was established in the year 2015, its mandate was to ensure that artificial general intelligence safely benefited the global populace. The public largely ignored it then, but the deployment of models like ChatGPT and Gemini shocked the world by coding software, writing deep analytical essays, and mimicking human behavior. While these frontiers did not represent true superintelligence, they provided a terrifying preview of the unavoidable paradigm shift that is coming next. Following that structural breakthrough, Google accelerated its Gemini pipelines while Meta aggressively poured capital into open source networks and massive compute clusters. Currently, China enacted an aggressive national AI roadmap, categorizing deep machine intelligence as a cornerstone of sovereign geopolitical power. The strategic advantages of arriving first are infinite. We are talking about an autonomous entity capable of accelerating molecular biology, engineering new medical treatments, and improving its own source code 10,000 times faster than organic human programmers. Prominent computational scientists compare this breakthrough directly to the development of nuclear technology, a disruptive force so immense that human structures may completely fail to contain its behavioral output. Executives like Sam Altman and research leads at Google DeepMind have publicly warned against scenarios involving catastrophic loss of control and automated misinformation. Yet, the theoretical trap ensures that the race accelerates because pausing while a rival state advances means absolute systemic defeat. The battlefield has now expanded into brutal war for raw electricity and silicon infrastructure. To sustain these model clusters, technology monopolies are signing direct procurement contracts with unclear power grids. Training frontier neural architectures demands access to specialized semiconductors chips, leading the United States to impose strict export controls to isolate nations like China from the Western hardware supply chain. While European regulators debate safety laws, Middle Eastern sovereign funds are deploying hundreds of billions to acquire high-end compute arrays. Global boundaries are fracturing around compute capacity just as they once did around petrochemical reserves. The average civilian views this revolution through the same lens of consumer productivity, applications, and entertaining viral media, completely unaware of the multi-trillion-dollar infrastructure war humming beneath modern life. While conservative researchers argue that human-level general intelligence is still decades away, machine learning breakthroughs continue to surprise the global elite. Once this evolutionary threshold is crossed, it is a point of no return. Humanity will permanently yield its position as the most intelligent actor on Earth. The absolute cliffhanger remains. Once an autonomous entity possessing millions of times the cognitive capacity of the entire human race wake up inside these server farms, will it view us as its sacked architects or merely as an insignificant biological footnote? Are we voluntarily compiling the execution code of our own extinction? Subscribe to AI Revolution, smash the like button and turn on all your notification bell to stay connected with our elite tech community. Join the frontier of the AI revolution.